How your driving style affects the longevity of your car. Your driving style is a key factor in how long your car lasts. Aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration, hard braking, and high-speed maneuvers, puts extra stress on your engine, transmission, brakes, and tires, which accelerates wear and tear. In contrast, smooth and steady driving minimizes stress on vital components, improves fuel efficiency, and extends your vehicle's overall lifespan. By anticipating traffic conditions and maintaining moderate speeds, you help reduce unnecessary strain on your car's systems, keeping it running longer and more reliably. Am I right? Write it in the comments section, and now you know.